Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sell your crypto on Binance. Now, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and log into your Binance app. Now, once you're in here, as you can see, we'll take a peek on my assets right here, and we have 8.94 USDT. All right. So I'm going to go back to home. I'm going to tap on the search function right here at the top. Just tap on it. Now go ahead and look for your crypto. For example, as you have seen earlier, I have USDT. I wanted to sell it. All right. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and look for USDT. Now in here, I'm just going to close the keyboard. I'm going to go ahead over to spot or futures or Binance wallet or any other good stuffs right here. I'm just going to go ahead over to spot right here. All right. I'm just going to tap on USDT try as it's going good. Just going to tap on it. Now here's the current chart for USDT. And here's the live value. All right. Now in here, I'm just going to tap on sell at the bottom right. Just tap on it. And here we have the price of the try USDT. Okay. And here you can go ahead and tap on the plus sign to put in the amount with the increment of 1. Okay. As you can see, or you can just go ahead and use the slider right here. That's 26%, 48%. And 100% right here, which is a total of 8 USDT. And as you might remember, I only have 8 point something USDT under my wallet or asset. So I'm just going to go ahead and try one. Okay. Now for $1 or 1 USDT, it will convert to 38.81. Okay. Now what I'm going to do next is just go ahead and tap on sell USDT. And it says here order created. And here you have it. All right. Just basically wait for it to reflect your wallet and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.